CBSE Mathematics Class 12 Exercise 4.6 Question number 11। देखिए इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है 2x plus y plus z is equal to 1, x minus 2y minus z is equal to 3/2 and 3y minus 5z is equal to 9। So here, first of all, matrix A that will be consist of the coefficient of the variable. You see the 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 2, 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 5. The matrix X consists of variable that is x, y, z, and the matrix B, it consists of the constant that is 1, 3/2 and 9. Now first of all we find the determinant value of the matrix A. Here I have applied R1 minus twice R2, R1 minus twice R2. So you will get here 0, 5, 3. You see, just R1 minus twice R2 means इसमें 2 का मल्टीप्लाई करो, माइनस करते जाओ, so you will get 0, 5, 3। उसके बाद देखिए 1 minus 2 as it is, 0, 3 minus 5. There is no change in the row 2 and row 3. Only there is change in row 1 because row 1 is under the operation. Now expand it along column 1. Column 1 में देखिए there is only one element that is in row 2. So column 1 के अनुसार हम expand करेंगे इसको। इसी determinant A will be equal to minus 1 whole raised to power 2 plus 1 into 1 in bracket। अब देखिए इसको छोड़ दीजिए, 5 minus 5 मल्टीप्लाई किया minus 25, 3 into 3 minus 3 minus 9 here. So here it will be the minus 1. So minus 1 will be multiplied to minus 34, it will be 34. 34 is not equal to 0. This implies that the inverse of A exists. For adjoint of A, what we do here, that original matrix A से हम क्या करेंगे, -2 देखिए बीच वाला कॉलम 2 के जो मिडिल एलिमेंट है वहाँ से शुरू करेंगे। देखिए -2, 3 नीचे आया, फिर 1 लिखा ऊपर वाला, फिर -2 लिखा, जहाँ से शुरू किए थे वहाँ पर लाकर ख़त्म कर दिया। अब नाउ प्रोसीड टू द कॉलम 3 दैट इज -1 है बीच में, यहाँ से शुरू कीजिए, -1 नीचे जाइए, -5 फिर ऊपर जाइए 1 फिर बीच में आइए -1। नाउ कम टू द कॉलम 1 दैट मिडिल एलिमेंट इज 1, सो राइट डाउन 1, नीचे जाइए 0 फिर 2 ऊपर फिर 1 वहीं पर वापस आया, फिर जो हमने जहाँ से शुरू किया था उसको एज इट इज लिख दीजिए, -2, 3, 1, -2। वाइज यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग कॉलम वाइज, राइट इट इन रो वाइज, क्योंकि हमें मालूम है ट्रांसपोज करते समय रो और कॉलम को आपस में चेंज करते हैं। तो वाइल यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग कॉलम वाइज, यू राइट डाउन इट रो वाइज। यू सी -2 into -5 प्लस का 10 हुआ, और 3 into -1 दैट इज -3 एंड 1 माइनस अपने तरफ से लगाएंगे इसमें, सो इट विल बिकम 13। यू सी 10 plus 3 13। अब देखिए 3 1 जा 3, -1 into -5 that is 5, so 3 plus 5 that will be 8। Here also you see 1 into -1 एंड -2 इंटू 1, तो -2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो +2 आएगा, ये -1 है, तो आपका क्या आएगा 1 रिजल्ट. अल्टीमेटली यू विल गेट हियर 1. सिमिलरली with the help of the column 2, just cross multiply it and you will get here 5 minus 10 3, 3 minus 6 minus 5. So in order to find the inverse of the A, so 1 upon the determinant value is 34, so 1 by 34. Write down the matrix which is adjoint of A. It is the adjoint of A. Write it here. Now we equate it. The x is equal to inverse of A into B. So here I have written x, y, z. Here it is 13 by 34, 8 by 34, 1 by 34, 5 by 34, minus 10 by 34, 3 by 34, 3 by 34, minus 6 by 34, minus 5 by 34. And now this row will be multiplied to this column, the B column, B matrix ka. So 13 by 34 will be multiplied to 1, 8 by 34 will be multiplied to 3 by 2, and 1 by 34 will be multiplied to 9. So ultimately we will get 13 by 34 plus 24 by 68 plus 9 by 34. Here 24 by 68 I have solved it and got 12 by 34. Now here 5 by 34 minus 15 by 34 plus 27 by 34. In the third row 3 by 34 minus 9 by 34 minus 45 by 34. Multiplication. So now you equate the x, y, z, that is 34 by 34. इसको सॉल्व किया, लिखा 34 by 34, 17 by 34 minus 51 by 34. Further solve it, you will get here 1, 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. So now equate the corresponding element of this matrix to this. You will get x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 2 and z is equal to minus 3 by 2. And this is the required answer of the question number 11. Now come to the question number 12. You see here the equation, system of equations is like this. X minus y plus z is equal to 4, 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 0, x plus y plus z is equal to 2. Now the matrix which consists of the coefficient of the variable will be like this: 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 1, minus 3, 1, 1, 1. और x मैट्रिक्स बनेगा जो x, y, z वेरिएबल से. B है मैट्रिक्स दैट इज 402 कांस्टेंट 402. नाउ द डिटर्मिनेंट वैल्यू A that will be worked out. You see C2 under operation, that is C2 plus C1, and second operation is also C3, that is C3 minus C1. Simultaneously I have done it. So 1, 0, 0. After applying this operation, I got 1, 0, 0, 2, 3 minus 5, 1, 2, 0. Now we have got 2, 0 in the first row. Now we expand it. Along with the first row, we will get here determinant value will be equal to 10. देखिए क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, ये तो 0 हो जाएगा, ये आपका +10 आ जाएगा. फॉर एडजॉइंट ए व्हाट यू डू दैट यू राइट डाउन. ये हम यहाँ से लीजिए ओरिजिनल जो मैट्रिक्स ए का है वहाँ से. सो 1, 1 देखिए यहाँ पर 1 ये ले लिया मैंने, ये बीच वाला से 1, फिर नीचे आया 1, फिर ऊपर गया -1, फिर वापस आया वहाँ पर 1. अब देखिए यहाँ पर थर्ड कॉलम में -3 जो है बीच में है. सो आई हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम -3 again go downwards, that is 1, and go up, again write it 1, 2. Now come to the first column, that is 2. 2 is the middle one. So you write down 2, 1, 1, 2. And the fourth column will be prepared, which we have done earlier. The first column and the fourth column will be the same, 1, 1, minus 1, 1. So adjoint A we can get after multiplying column wise, cross multiply, we will get adjoint of A, that will be equal to 422 minus 505 1 minus 2 3. In this way we can get the adjoint of A. Sorry. Now see x, y, z is equal to 1 by 10. ये इन्वर्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, ये इन्वर्स ऑफ ए है और ये बी है. देखिए इनका मल्टीप्लाई किया, यहाँ पर लिख दिया हमने 1 by 10, दैट इज डिटर्मिनेंट वैल्यू. 16 plus 4 minus 20 plus 10, 4 plus 6. Ultimately you get here 20 minus 10, 10. Now divide it. So you will get here the x, y, z will be equal to the matrix 2 minus 1, 1. Now we equate the corresponding elements. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 1. Now come to the question number 13. X plus 3y plus 3z plus is equal to 5. X minus 2y plus z is equal to minus 4. 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 3. With the help of the coefficient of the variable, we can prepare the matrix. Write down the matrix A. That will be 2, 3, 3, 1 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2. X will be equal to x, y, z, and b will be equal to 5 minus 4, 3. Now the matrix A, after operating, the column 3 has been subtracted, C3 minus C2. C3 minus C2. You will get 0, 3, 11. Minus 1. C3 minus C2 and C2 minus thrice by 2 C1. 3 by 2 C1 करेंगे, पहले 3 by 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे C1 को और फिर C2 से माइनस करेंगे. Then we will get 0, minus 7 by 2 and minus 11 by 2. Now we have got in the first row only one element, that is 2, and the rest of the elements are 0. Now we expand it. Row 1 wise, we will get here 2, 7 by 2 plus 33 by 2. Further solve किया इसको, we got it, that is 40. And 40 is not equal to 0, hence inverse A exists. Now for adjoint of A, again we start writing. This is the original matrix, that is A here. That is minus 2, minus 1, 3, 2. यहाँ से देखिए, यहाँ से लीजिए. Minus 2, minus 1, 3 and minus 2. Now second column का middle element लीजिए. 1, minus 2, 1, minus 2. To go up 3, 3 right down here. Again you end the point, that is 1. Now come to the first column, that is start from middle, that is 1, 3, 2 and 1. 1, 3, 2, 1, 1. Now this column and this column are the same, just you can repeat it. After completing this array or arrangement, just start cross multiplying column wise, then write it in row wise. you will get here, you see minus 2 into minus 2, that is minus plus 4, or minus 1 into minus 1, that will be plus 1. So we will get here 5, 3, 9, 5, minus 13, 1, 5, 11, minus 7. So the inverse will be, inverse A will be equal to 1 upon 40. 40 है जो डिटर्मिनेंट वैल्यू है 40. So write down here 5 by 5, 5, 5, 3 minus 13, 11, 9, 1, 7, minus 7. Now write it in the form of x is equal to A inverse B. So I have written here, this is A inverse inverse A. This is x, this is B. Now multiply the row column. So you will get here minus 1 by 40 here, 25 minus 12 plus 27, 25 plus 52 plus 3, 25 minus 44 minus 21, again 1 by 40, इसको simplify कीजिए, you will get 40, 80 and minus 40. After dividing it by 40, you will get here 1, 2, minus 1. Now compare the coefficient of, compare the corresponding element of this matrix and this matrix. You will get x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to minus 1. That's all.